Hello, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Corazon heart edit. Just open Photoscape and click editor. Open the picture you want to edit. For me, I'm gonna edit the picture of DJ. Then object. Then you have to search at the images.google.com. Then then type textura Corazon PNG. Then pick this, the white. It's okay. You can also pick this one. Wait. This one. And this one. You can also pick this. There. You have to save it. For me, I save it already, so I don't need to save it anymore. Then open Photoscape again, then add that picture to DJ's picture. For me, I save it at the size. Here. Wait. I'm gonna use different. I'm gonna use the pick something. There. Gonna move it that side. So click Photostress objects and click OK. Then add text. Make the text yellow and the outline black. That's my idol. There. You get it? Put it below the text. Then save it, of course. Then save it. Corazon art edit. Thank you for watching my 11th video. Hope you like it. Bye.